Hello my friends, how are you? I am here with my Koopy Whoopie. He's right here. I wanted to show you my little elevated loungewear because remember I was telling you how I like to wear comfortable clothes, but like something that I can go pick up the kids in, but also like feel like I'm dressed up even though I'm not. This is one of them. I bought it on TikTok shop. I like it. It's by Glow Mode. I think it's like a Shein brand. I love the pants. The pants I could totally turn into like workout pants because they're wide leg, stretchy. I just thought I'd share. And the sweater, oh my gosh, I could wear it with like a skirt. I could wear it like, I love it. The sweater's cute. And then it has like the Glow Mode brand on the back. But like, honestly, my hair hides it. I really don't care about like brands. Like it should be smaller in my personal opinion, like a little tiny small, but other than that, I love it and it's so comfortable. I just thought I'd share. Hello friends, I'm here with Amy. We're having a fun day. We worked out together. We was lifting heavy.
And we got a pedicure, so we look so nice.
I know we have matching pedicures. And now we're at...
And it's this color.
Kind of. Well, more like this color.
Yep.
Yeah.
More this color.
Like that color. Yeah. And now we're at 5 Below. And girl, I forgot. Everything here is so amazing. I know. I bought all the Valentine's Day stuff. Hello friends, I'm back. I'm gonna eat my tortang talong with some rice. I like to mix it with vinegar, rice vinegar, and also some soy sauce. And then I'll share my what's it called? 5 Below haul. But I'm gonna eat and shower and then I'll share that because girl, I need a shower after the work. Bob looks so good. I wiped him down the other day and wiped his eyeballs with just like a wet towel because his eyes had like a little crusty, you know, on it. You look so handsome and so clean, my sunshine. You beautiful boy. Oh, sweet angel. You still kicking along, huh, baby? You guys, he's losing weight. We think it might be time. But I'm like waiting for his wheatgrass to grow because I planted his wheatgrass. I might have to go find a wheatgrass somewhere for him. I love you, Bob. He's lost a lot. Like you can't feel it, but I mean, I can feel it, but you can't see. It's like when not Sunrise. Sunrise was always skinny because of his cancer. But it's like with Charlie, you know, when Charlie started losing weight. He still got some time though. I can sense it, but we'll know when it's time. Hey. That's too much. Then be some fighting sounds and I don't like it. That's too much. Stop. Thank you. Stop right now. Thank you very much. Koopy. What we're not doing is inching back in there. Because I don't know if you want to see this, but I recorded it, and it looks like you were not winning. So what we're not doing is trying to fight. You're not going to learn, Koopy. You just walk away. Come on, Papas. Oliver, don't try it. Jacob, why'd you get involved? Ooh. Cooper still did it. You know what? Good job, Cooper. Be all like, you mess with me, I'll show you who I am. Good job, Koopy. I was joking around when I said don't do it. That's right. I actually like to see you holding, you know, holding it down. Oh, you're done now? Yeah, you're done. He said he's done now, Oliver.
Who's the alpha?
Cooper, that was very demure.
He did a pump fake.
Oh, we're done. We're done. Okay. I have a haul to share. 5 Below. So I got 2 of these, one per baby, Liam and Jicky, as a fondue set for them. And it comes with 4 dipping forks, but I thought it would be cute to get them their own. So I got them that. And then for my chicken little nephew for Valentine's Day, I got him a Bluey stuffed animal. And then for myself, because baby, one thing about me is I'm going to treat myself, okay? I got 2 of the Calbee shrimp chips. I'm going to bring one when I go pick up Jacob so I can eat it at the pickup line. And then I got my babies one of these Sour Patch Candy boxes. That's one for Jacob, one for Liam, 2. My Sophia, she likes axolotl, so I got this I Like You a Lotl. And then I got this. I want to try the curls for the hair. And this one was $5. So I said, girl, this is way cheaper than like the stuff I see on Amazon. So we'll see. We'll see. I got this for Sophia, a little box of chocolates, but Hello Kitty. And then I got this for Jessica and Bubby and Saba. Nothing big. And then I got some M&Ms because it's movie night. Peanut because my baby's like that. And then I got this for myself because I like to switch my bags a lot, but I need to put everything in one bag so I can put it in and out of different bags. And this is like the perfect size because it fits in like my Lady Dior bag. It fits in this one. I don't shop at Target anymore because they took away the, diversity. And so I don't even call it my Target bag. I just call it this bag. Anyways, yeah, that is all, my friends. I know there are other places that I should ban, but it's like one at a time, y'all. One at a time. But so far, successfully, no Target in forever. Have you seen a Target haul from me? No. I've also told my family members I don't shop at Target because one time they were like, oh, there's a sale on gift cards. And I was like, I actually don't shop there. And now they know. Yeah. Also, why are y'all shopping there? A little question for you. Do you know how many times I said no to sponsorships? I've said no to so many sponsorships because it was Target related. Yeah. Because I was like, I'm not about that life. How come my biggest dream was to work with them, and then when it happened, I didn't want them no more because they took away the diversity. Anyways, I forgot. I also got Slinkies for my babies. Yeah, so I hope Five Below is good. Let me find out they're not good and I won't shop there no more too. Hello, friends. Happy movie night, friends. This is what we're having, and some popcorn. I baked the muffins a few days ago. Oh, sorry. These grapes look like they're tripping. They're falling. We got some kiwis. Those are nummy. The apples are yummy. And then just other snacks. Hello, friends. How are you? Good morning. We're going to Liam's basketball game. I brought some snacks, applesauce, chomps, some granola bars, and Sophia and Bobby will be there, so I brought extra snacks. It's snowing a little bit outside. And I saw a little girl who I think she just took her basketball photos because we're parked in front of a school for Liam to do his basketball photos too. And girlfriend was just wearing her basketball tank top and holding a cold, like, blended drink. And I'm like, oh my gosh, Minnesotan folks really don't think it's that cold today. Honestly, 21 degrees isn't that cold. But the wind, girl, the way I would like to show you, but I can't. It's like a school. But like, it's, yeah. Jakey's like, really? I gotta stay here and wait? Should have brought something. Your cards, a book. Okay now. Exactly. Solve the Rubik's Cube. Jakey got into solving Rubik's Cubes. His friend does it, and like, he solves it like so fast. Like, he showed me. He's like, you see how it's like this at like a chess tournament? Oh, yeah, that's the donut. And then he's like, and then he does like this for like 2 seconds, and then he solves it. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See? I love a good friend, a good influence, because that, working your mind, that's good stuff right there. Because the only time I solved the Rubik's Cube, I remember I was like 14 years old in 8th grade. We were at my dad's side of the family during the holidays, and we were just sitting around waiting for it. Yeah, donut. We were just sitting around. Oh no, it wasn't Christmas, but it was the holidays. It was New Year. So we were sitting around waiting for it to be midnight. And like, it was so boring. Like, I didn't really hang out with anyone that time. And so I was just playing with a Rubik's Cube. I don't even know. Yay, Jakey. So I don't even know whose Rubik's Cube it was, but I was just sitting there and I actually solved it. And I was like, oh my gosh. I don't know how I did it. There was no tricks or tips or any of that. But Jakey can do it like this. That's so crazy. We got lunch with Bubby. I'm made bread in the bread machine. I just love the smell of bread. And when I was making homemade bread, I was like, girl, what am I doing? I got me a bread maker. Hello, so Bubby and Sophia are here for a little while. I gave them half of the bread and a jar, her pickle jar. And I asked Bubby to stop by because I had a gift for Aunt Nancy for Christmas. I bought her a sweater, but it didn't fit her well. And so I took back the sweater and I bought her a bag. And oh my gosh, girl, let me tell you the story. So the thing about it is she likes this bag of mine. But this bag of mine was like Target from like 3 years ago, I think, or maybe even 2. And I don't really be shopping there anymore, you know, because they took away diversity and all of that. And I know for a fact they don't sell that bag anymore because it's like a few years old. So I went on Poshmark and I found it! I found it! And it's brand new. And I was like, Aunt Nancy's been complimenting my bag for like years. So I was like, that's the gift I'm gonna give her. And then I took the sweater that didn't fit her and I'm keeping it. And I think it's cute. It's like a white Sherpa sweater. But look at, we're gonna be matching. Hers is like, and it's brand new on Poshmark, y'all. Yeah, friends, I'm just putting dishes away. And Justin is playing piano for his mama. Huh? That's so cute. And I have my Koopy Whoopie. He wasn't even shy to meet Bubby. How sweet is that, my little Koopy? Cooper is like so friendly. That's my baby. He's so sweet. Is it too bright for you, baby? Hi, sugar plum. Hello, friends. It's the next day. Happy Sunday. Except we had pancake Sunday for dinner last night. I made pancakes, eggs. I roasted more broccoli because the boys love broccoli and I will have them eat it even with like a breakfast type of dinner meal. And then this morning we had donuts. We haven't found like our go-to donut spot yet because they're just like chains. The one in the Bay Area that we went to was Johnny's Donuts. Oh my gosh. They would make it fresh every morning and it was so doughy. And if I'm being honest, I used to think that Randy's Donuts in Inglewood was really good. But then when we went back recently, it wasn't as good. And someone says like it's new owner or something. I don't know, but Johnny's Donuts in the Bay Area is insane. Like I miss Johnny's Donuts so much. I guess it's a good and a bad thing because we would order, like we would get some donuts every week and then we would give some to the teachers and all of that. It was something that we looked forward to. Like I would get donuts for the boys in the morning. I miss that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, today is Sunday. We had a lazy Sunday. It was just chilling and then we dropped Liam off to his friend's house because his friend is having a birthday party. I thought it was a sleepover because Liam kept talking about how his friend was having a sleepover. And I'm like, it doesn't seem like it because the invitation the mom sent us was like at noon. And plus, mind you, we don't allow sleepovers. It's a thing, it's not allowed. Not in this household. I have talked about it many times, but a sleepover is not okay with me. Like there's so much that happens. You don't know who lives there. We're new to the area. We don't know people well enough. And even if we did, the only sleepover is with Auntie Jessica, Bubby and Saba, Grandma and Grandpa. Crazy week here in Minnesota. Heartbreaking week. A scary week. Minnesota, everywhere actually. I hope that you friends stay safe. And yeah, it's just been heartbreaking what happened to Renee Good. It's scary. I'm personally scared to drive around. Like, let's talk about it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Anyways, I'll chat with you later, friends. Bye.